At this point during the install, you've inserted your DVD or the Ease USB flash drive. The software opened up and you'll come to this main screen. From here, we're going to click Install Professional Scan Tool Suite, which will open up another screen, and there's basically two options here for you to consider. One of them is ScanTool Web Install, which is the recommended process, and this will get you the latest software from our web server to make sure you have all the updates and the latest and greatest ScanTool software. If for some reason you don't have internet access when you're installing this, the whole ScanTool install is installed on the USB flash drive, so you can use the second option here. But at some point, what you're going to want to do after you install the tool is to go out to the internet and check to see if there's any updates. Another thing to look at is quick start instructions. So once you install the scan tool, this will get you started using the scan tool very quickly. And again, keep in mind that there are installation instructions you can follow along with a printed out copy. There's a PDF included on this drive as I'm going through this, or you can watch the video. As you'll see, it's going to be pretty straightforward. Okay, I want to show you the how you're going to update your tool on the internet after the install. So we're going to go ahead and choose this option. A little screen is just going to open up and getting the process ready to start installing software. A little welcome screen here, just click Next. Software license agreement, read through this, scroll through. If you're happy with that, click I accept the terms, click Next. And again, we're going to do a complete install. If you don't want the whole tool, you can choose to install just a generic tool, or you have custom features here. You can pick and choose which OEMs and features you'd like to install. We're going to go ahead and install the complete tool. You can now choose what path you want the scan tool installed in. We're going to just go ahead and leave the default here where it is. And we'll also show you how much space you need and how much it's going to take up on your PC. Click Next. Okay, we're all set up. We're ready to begin the install, and I'm just going to click Next and let it start installing the software. And again, this whole process is going to take a couple minutes based on your PC speed and so on. And if you're installing it over the internet, again, it's going to depend on your internet connection speed. At this point during the install, a Data Migration Wizard screen will open up if it's detected that you had a previous scan tool installed on your PC. If you did, then you have the option to transfer any of your user data and other information you had in your old version of the scan tool into the new version. If you would like to do that, just click Yes, and we'll transfer all the data over. I'm just going to say No at this point. Okay, that completes the installation of the scan tool, and if you'd like to run this software, just click Finish with the default on here, Run Scan Tool Now. I'm just going to deselect that, click Finish, and that is the end of the scan tool install. At this point, the software install is complete, and as you can see, we have a new icon on our desktop saying Scan Tool Launcher 7 with the Ease icon. What you're going to want to do at this point is go ahead and set up your vehicle interface, whether you have either a cabled or wireless EVI 6000 or whether other interface you may have, or if you might be using the Ease Universal Reprogramming System 2. These are covered in other videos, and you can go ahead and watch those now. And you might also want to check for new web updates if you did not choose the web install option, and I'm going to demonstrate that in another video as well. Now that the scan tool install is complete, we can go ahead and we're going to go back to the main menu here, and you can just exit out of this and totally exit again. And again, that is a complete installation of the eScan tool.